And that's a baby freeze. So we're gonna break down the baby freeze. For the baby freeze, you use hand, and your head, like a triangle again. Everything is a triangle in a power move. So I'll show it from the side, multiple angles, so you can see what's happening to my hands. So we're on top of the toes, on the ball of the feet. Knees are bending down. We're not low, we're up. Once we're up, your right arm comes down. We're not far, we're close by. Opposite side also comes to the side. It looks like this. What you're doing next, the furthest leg extends out. Once it extends out, you're trying to bring your head to the floor. So as the triangle, because hands and then your head. So we're forming that. So hand, feet. And then from there, try to remove the bent leg a little bit away. So you're using the opposite side to your head. From there, up. Yeah? One more time. So, low, hand, extend the bent leg. So while you're bending your elbows also to bring your head to the floor. While you're bending, this leg will extend that way. So, go that way. Once it's there, bring your head up. I'm basically resting my knee and my hip on my elbows. From the back, it looks like this. Like that. So, once you hold, knees are holding, and you can do whatever you like with it. But the main thing is, you're forming your triangle, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is a baby freeze.